Hey, how's it going? I hope you're enjoying learning iOS. It's a challenging journey sometimes, I know. I want to fill you in on my progress, where the app is now from 6 weeks ago. I'll show you where it was and where I am now, give you a quick run through and where I'm headed. My main challenge was auto layout. So I'm going to share with you the tutorials I found. I had to do a little bit of searching, and so hopefully that can help you. It's great to hear from you guys. I know some of you have submitted your first app already. Some of you are onto your second app that you've submitted. It's great to hear. Keep that feedback coming in. Now let's get stuck into this video. So here's the old app. As you can see, the auto layout issues that it has, it's not sizing correctly. Look at it on the iPad. Absolutely terrible. So I started a brand new Xcode project because there were so many auto layout issues, as you can see, and it was just a nightmare. Here's the new app. Straight away you can see that's looking much better, isn't it? There's the iPad version. Now some of these icons are actually a little large, but this is a much better prototype to work with. So let's take the app for a spin on the actual phone. So here we go. I've designed an icon which I designed in Sketch, and I was able to export it to all the appropriate sizes for all different devices. Let's head on in here now. It's looking much better. I didn't really change the other features, they're the same. But I really worked on the UI for the smile cam. I didn't want to clutter the view. I wanted it nice and clean, very easy to use and straightforward. So let's take a quick photo. There we go. And it adds it in an email. We'll just cancel that for now and go back. So the next challenge now is treatments and website. Oh, let me show you the team. So I wanted to do something a little bit more challenging, and so I incorporated a swipe view. Probably not the technical term, but it was quite challenging. I didn't want to do a straightforward scroll view for this. I want to improve my chances of it being accepted when I submit it to the App Store. So I went and looked for some tutorials and made it happen. Now, which auto layout courses did I use for this? I found this website, Bitfountain. I was really happy to find it because, I mean, look at it. Looks fantastic. And they've got quite a few courses. His microphone was terrible, and I told him. He said he sorted it out. I had to get through halfway of the course before the audio improved, and I think that's kind of put me off this site. I mean, I'm sure the rest of the content is fantastic, but it just put me off. I think if you're gonna sell something, audio is a must. What really helped me though was raywindelicts.com. They have some great tutorials for auto layout, and they really went into detail more than on any other course that I've done. They've got a stack view series, they've got an adaptive layout series. But funny enough, what really did it for me was an old video that I found on YouTube. It's from a couple of years ago, and he's using percentages here to lay out the objects, and that's what I wanted to do when I think about laying things out in my mind. Because I'm a front-end web developer, I want to do it in percentages, and this guy was using something called the multiplier. Let me just give you a quick just get my project up here to show you. Now this stack view, if you check this out here, the multiplier is 0.17, and further down the middle one is 0.5, bang in the middle, 50%, and the one at the bottom is 0.83. So that's another way you can lay things out if Stack View isn't working for you. I did try and do the whole thing in Stack View, but there were a few issues. But I think I probably would have been able to do it if my knowledge of Stack View, if I had that depth of knowledge, but it's not quite there yet, but it will be. I'm working on this. Team Treehouse have just released an auto layout course. I don't know how good it is. It only came out in the past few weeks and I've moved on to tackle other areas of the app. But don't rule Team Treehouse out because they make good quality tutorials. So there you have it. My next challenge is to do the website feature and the treatments. The website button is just going to take you to the website. I think it's going to appear in a web view. I'm not entirely sure. The treatments is just going to be a scroll view. So you're just going to scroll up and down. I really want to cap this off. It's been a long project and I want to then submit it to the App Store. And what will be, will be. Let's see if they approve it. I'm hoping because I've put so much effort into the UI. I did my best. It's my first app. And let's just see. I mean, Lord knows there's some really terrible apps in the App Store that were built 4 years ago and they're just a web view and that's all it is. Sometimes it doesn't even scroll properly. Anyhow, that's to come in the future. I hope you got something from this. Keep doing what you're doing. Do it daily, even if you just sit down for 25 minutes. Keep the momentum going. Keep that compound effect going. And I'll catch you later. Peace.